Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert Recreate. In this video, I will show you a clear, step-by-step guide to fill out the PMP application and how to include predictive, agile, and hybrid experience. Step 1 is confirming your eligibility. If you have a 4-year degree, you need 36 months of project management experience plus 35 contact hours of education. If you have a high school diploma or associate degree, you need 60 months of experience and the same 35 contact hours. Step 2, create a free account on the PMI website. Once you start the application, you have 90 days to finish it. Step 3, fill in your education. You must enter academic education and professional education. Professional education means the 35 contact hours from a course. Step 4, describe your project experience. This is the most important part. Include the project title, dates, role, organization, and a clear description. Now, a key update is that your experience can be predictive, agile, or hybrid. Use the right keywords to show your method. Here are the 3 methodologies you can use in your description. Predictive is also called waterfall. Agile focuses on short iterations. Hybrid combines both. A strong application shows a mix of these approaches. Step 5, review and submit. Check for overlapping dates. If 2 projects happened at the same time, that time only counts once. Step 6, wait for approval. It usually takes 5 to 10 days. Sometimes PMI selects your application for an audit. If that happens, you upload your degree, your education certificate, and your supervisors confirm your experience. Step 7, pay the fee and schedule the exam. After approval, you receive an eligibility ID. You can then schedule online or at a testing center. You now have a clear, structured plan for your PMP application. Keep your descriptions professional and show predictive, agile, and hybrid experience wherever appropriate. Good luck with your application.